Welcome back to the Mouse Diva channel. Hope you saw part 1 of today.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving pictures.
What's up, Doc? I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
Alrighty, Riverside for 2 nights. Hello.
Welcome in. Welcome in.
Oh. So this is different. You check in like these little tables instead of going to the counter. And I noticed I found Ray, so she's gonna bring us our little button because we found. Yeah, it was right there. Yeah, they move them every day. And there is our button. So tomorrow we find them, and then we take a picture, and then we get a little sticker to go on the button. Hi.
Hello.
Alright, let's take a look at these adorable curtains. They're so subtle. But look, Prince Naveen.
That's a frog.
Exactly. How cushy are the chairs? Like comfy?
I hope so, because I guess this is where I have to drink coffee in the morning.
And look, we're a Walt Disney World guest. Ceiling fan, 2 queen beds. They almost had the hidden Mickey down pack. They just a little bit closer. There we go. And let's check this out. Ah, are they both the same? No, they're not. All right. Got USB plug outlets. There we go. We got plenty of room underneath the beds to shove suitcases. Got a little riverboat. Love to hang hats. Got a shelf above it. Refrigerator. And 3 nice sized drawers. More plug outlets. Tiny little coffee maker for Tom. Oh, green tea. I'm excited. Green tea, Earl Grey tea, and little packets of Disney coffee. And I love this curtain. Nice bench. That, since we're only here for 2 nights, basically my suitcase would just be open on that bench. I'll use it as a luggage rack. Extra pillow and blanket, nice wood hangers, a safe, ironing board, irons above it, hair dryer, which is nice because we were almost here and I'm like, I forgot my hair dryer. Got some Disney H2O, but does it actually, wait a minute, does that actually, no, it does not say H2O anymore. I didn't think so. And what does this shower curtain look like? Well, that's interesting. Just little fireflies, but you can't see the fireflies, just their light. Ah, so was just at All Star Movies last month, and I commented that they didn't have this in those rooms anymore. And we have our shampoo, conditioner, body wash, which should be still the H2O. Let me smell it. Yeah, it's still the H2O scent. The Sea Marine, I believe, is what they call it. Now let me just get this off my fingers. All right. Thoughts, comments?
I hope the coffee's good. I brought some filters and grounds, but they don't really work in those coffee makers, so we'll hope for the best with their little packets.
Yeah. It's only 2 nights, so. Yeah, we need to bring that down a little.
Overall, the room's got a nice feel to it. It feels reasonably spacious for what it is, and smells and looks clean and ready to go.
And we have a standard room, so I mean, at least we're not looking at cars, the parking lot. We're just like right underneath the staircase. I love that there is a ledge here, so products stay, and you can sit and shave, soak your feet at the end of the day if you wanted to, and 2 towel or clothing, actually 3 hooks. Bravo. So, have you ever stayed at Riverside? Comment below and let us know. So we're in the, obviously, the Magnolia section. Oh, come right out in the gazebo. That'll be nice. Oh man, the gazebo has a horse and carriage weather vane. So main building right over here. So we need to cross this bridge right here. Found a big old nest in that tree.
I'm pretty sure that's a southern air snake nest.
Oh my goodness. Sometimes you have to ignore him. We're doing the resort pumpkin decorating contest again, and we get to vote, and we'll actually, well, we won't be here on the 31st, but we'll be at a different resort. So normally it's supposed to tell you, maybe when we scan, it'll tell you like what department each one, oh wow, each one, who did each one. That one's really neat. Are you kidding me?
It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere.
I mean, even down to the dangly musical instruments. Ooh, and there's like smoke coming out. I'm just scanned. It says start now.
Do I press that?
Yeah. And then maybe it'll tell us, yes, okay, it tells you. So, front office did anxiety, food and beverage did the poison apple, merchandise did the Tiana, housekeeping did anger, engineering, of course they did the Haunted Mansion, and duty did Jack Skellington. So you're going to vote, I'm sorry Tom, we're going back, we're going to vote for most creative, okay, most magical, best overall, and that's it. So, who is Tom voting for? Most creative.
Most creative. I'll go for Down in the Bayou.
Okay, and next, most magical.
Most magical. I'm gonna go with Haunted Mansion Engineering.
Okay, and best overall.
Guess.
You're gonna go Haunted Mansion. Anxiety front office, love it. Okay.
I think he's got the most character.
Okay, I do like the little feather thing on top.
Yep.
Okay. Let's go to Fulton's General Store, which reminds me, do you watch the Family Channel, Life's a Whirlwind? Because I just answered a comment from the video where we went and visited the Fulton steamship. We stayed in that inn in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and somebody commented on how much they liked that review and that tour. So go check out our channel over there. Life's a Whirlwind. It's a whirlwind. Oh, these are stinking adorable. Look at that. Timothy getting some love. Ooh, and the Mad Hatter getting some love. Pixie plush. Ooh, look at all those little characters. Oh, happy. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Happy Halloween 2024 with the ghost. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, what is this? This pen is Chippendale and it's a counter. Tells you how many days till Christmas. I like that. Ooh, and a Dalmatian one. Haunted Mansions, look alive, look alive. Ooh, Grave Digger and the dog. I really like these Riverside ears. Wow, Riverside pennies. Oswald? Captain Pete? Steamboat Willie? I love that it actually says Riverside on it. All 8 for $5. Oh my gosh. I just realized something. I just bought something at a Disney gift shop and they put it in a white paper bag. You got a bag, but I'm like, what? What is this? It just hit me. I mean, I'm not complaining. It was just like, what? I just realized.
And all of a sudden it's like, wait.
Well, like, wait a minute, this isn't a Disney bag. And it's not food.
When was the last time we bought anything at Disney and didn't get more Disney bags than we could possibly use?
So I'm gonna give you the little Disney history lesson that I just got. So when I made my purchase, she asked me, did I want to, my change would have been 93 cents. Did I want to contribute that to the conservation fund? And I was like, you know, I've never done that before. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do it. She's like, well, that's great. Then you get this button. So got the little button. But also she says, and we match it 100%. And the history lesson is that Walt set it up that, that they have to match whatever, the 100% match, whatever a person gives. And at some point, some big wigs came in and said, nope, we need to get rid of that. We're not gonna match. And they pulled out the legal forms and said, nope. Walt said this could never go away, that this always had to be done. So that is why my 93 cents got matched.
And where does your 93 cents times 2 go?
It goes to the conservation fund. I already said that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And what does the conservation fund do?
Well, it helps the animals. And originally, she was talking about Discovery Island. You know, the island over there by Magic Kingdom that used to have the animals on it, but now it's just, you can't go there anymore. Like, people would actually go there before Animal Kingdom was made. So, yeah, there's your history lesson for today. So I forgot to show while we were at Disney Springs, we did stop at Gideon's. We did wait in line for like 5 or 6 minutes and it just didn't go anywhere, so we got out. So this is the last of the October art cards, menu cards. Give you a closer look at that Riverside button and a closer look at the conservation pen. And let me show you what actually bought to, you know, have changed to get that pen. Was the Chip and Dale Countdown pen. $39.99. It's been a while since I hope, you know what, I'm gonna take this out because it looks kind of funky. I'm just gonna make sure that counter works right. Okay, so it's actually a double spinner pen. That's why one sits back. So we got 22 days, 30 something days. We've got 0, so we can go up to, I guess, the 31 days before Christmas. Or no, technically I guess we can go 39 days before Christmas, right? Yeah, so we can go 39 days before Christmas. Okay, I just realized something. Look! I love it even. It's freestanding. It's like its own little easel. Is it double-sided? Oops, hold on. Look at that! Love it even more.
Oh.
See? Says the donate 93 cents. It's 3:33. We're gonna eat our leftovers from lunch and spy on, oh wait, this cast member's looking at us. Okay, there we go. Spy Bell Services here, working on people's luggage. Showroom 85. 85 degrees, Saturday, October 26th. They've changed the look of the park hours and stuff. Interesting. So tonight, we're headed to Magic Kingdom.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way.